Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for December 20th. We're looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair did almost created an inside bar. I mean, came within, basically, it was an inside bar, but only by 1/10 of a pip, which is pretty small. Nonetheless, closed down. This pair is moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 78.37, possibly as low as 77.41. Look for some resistance around 78.00 and look for some support around 77.50. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair closed higher today, moved higher, did pull back somewhat prior to the close. Look for it to continue overall moving sideways, potentially going as high as 132.11, possibly as low as 128.94. Look for some resistance around 131.35 and look for some support around 129.75. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair surged higher, strong move to the upside, did close right within previous sideways market range, so we'll have to see if it continues that. Look for it to potentially go as high as 158.34, possibly as low as 154.09. Look for some resistance around 15700 and look for some support around 155.57. Now the US Swiss, this pair surged to the downside, pulled back a significant amount prior to the close, ran into previous resistance, which was now support. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9460, possibly as low as 0.9200. Look for some resistance if it moves to the upside around 0.9375, and look for some support around 0.9265. All right, as far as news analysis go, we have the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. The Japanese Bank of Japan releasing their rate decision. Consensus is, or previous is, that they're going to hold it at 0.1%. Previous, which was the previous no consensus given on that. Now we also have tomorrow the Bank of England releasing their minutes at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time. No real consensus, and probably wouldn't move the market due to the fact that the numbers have already been released. Now at 4:45 p.m. Eastern, we have the New Zealand gross domestic product for the third quarter as well as the year. Third quarter showing an increase from 0.1% up to 0.6%. Year to date, they're showing an increase from 1.5% up to 2.2%, which would be good news for the New Zealand dollar. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if we take a look at the pound US dollar pair, it surged to the upside. I do believe during this next session, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have an area that moved higher. You can see that this moved higher. We do have a potential for a reversal here, and basically I'm tagging this 4-hour bar. Let me change that so we can actually see it. There we go. Going short around the 156.16 mark, and then looking to exit right around the 155.55 mark. So basically looking to take out of the market about 60 pips using a risk to reward of 1-to-1. That puts your stop loss right about here, definitely above. You could probably put it above the previous 4-hour time frame, be about a 50 pip, 48, 50 pip stop loss, looking to grab about 61 pips if this pair reverses down. So looking to short 156.16 and then looking to exit this trade at about the 155.55 mark. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.